Hello there. I wanted to show you a portable electric winch slash hoist that I recently purchased. I bought it to lift things up and down from a loft in our barn. It can be operated by buttons on the winch itself, a cabled remote, or a wireless remote. I almost didn't get the wireless remote, but I'm glad I did because I find that's the one I prefer to use. It can lift or pull 1,100 pounds, which is overkill for how I'm using it here, but for other applications around the property, that extra capacity could really come in handy. I love working around our place, and as I get older, anything I can come up with to do the heavy lifting for me is a big win. And it will allow me to continue doing this type of work around the property for many years to come. I haven't had the hoist very long, but I'm very happy with it. You can see here how easy it has made this job. If this video can help someone, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and take care.